How we doing, folks? Welcome back to the Little Shop of Nightmares. If you're wondering why I look the same as I did in the last video, it's because I do. I'm gonna make up a couple of videos today. I've got a couple of weeks ahead of me. It's gonna be kind of busy. Doing a little vacating this weekend, and when I get back, I got a garden to plant. But anyway, our next little project today is going to be a Spectraply kit. As the thumbnail indicates, but we're going to do a little twist, a little something different on it. It's going to be a Slimline click pin kit, which I haven't done before. So I'll kind of give a little review of those and what I think about them. But anyway, I've got us cut and drilled. I'll get everything glued up and get it on the lathe, and I'll bring you guys back when we get there. Alright, I've got us glued up and on the lathe here. I'll try something a little different. I've kind of glued us up at a little bit of a compound angle here. A little bit crooked. I want to see how this works out. I don't know. Just do something a little different for a change. Change it up a little. See what we can come up with. It may work out good, and it may look like running gears of hell. I don't know. But we'll find out. There we go. So all we needed was a little speed. Speed kills, but it also seals. Alright, let me get this thing slapped together and I will bring you guys back. Alright folks, we got it all put together and working, and it works good. One thing about it, it comes with everything you need, of course. The pin kit does, except for the blank. But the spring that comes with it for the refill is bigger on one end than it is the other. Make sure the small end goes up. It doesn't interchange. It goes one way, which it's simple enough to figure out. But anyway, squirrel. I believe I've got enough for, well, I've got 2 videos, so I believe I've got enough to do for the next few hours now. I'll go in and edit these up and get them uploaded and ready to come out for you guys to see them. But anyway, always thanks for your time and your patience and putting up with me, and tell your friends, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.